Alright, the boys have now gotten used to the weather. They're used to the temperature now. Coach is there. Machine, stretch them, stretch them, stretch them, stretch them, stretch them, stretch them. Machine.
Matti, was ist los?
He's the fastest player.
You say he's bold, huh? His name should be Bolt.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Bitte? Ich bin echt zu dritt, schwindelig.
Passing.
Boris!
Well done, Boris.
Meg? Meg?
Man, turn over Kyle a while ago. They're playing well though. Stretch him, Sharky. Stretch him, stretch him, stretch him. Stretch him. Coaches love them. So they want them to start right away. So we'll see. Doing our job. We're doing our job, Phoenix. Machine! Good try, good try. Come again, come again. There's the great Griswold, playmaker. Huh? Just play, man. Chip your ball for gloves. What a little fish. Sorry, no, sorry. Hope I didn't take that. Sorry. Man up. Drink a can of man, as Eddie would say. About gloves. You have to get used to it, boys. You have to get used to it. Lou. The Griswold. Come, win it back, win it back, win it back. Chip your shift at the man. Alright.